Eddie with Kentucky Kids on the Block. Today, I have a helper. Zoey. She's going to be helping me with a little experiment that you can do at home with your family. So, for the experiment, what you're going to need is some aluminum foil. You'll tear off 3 or more pieces depending on how many boats you want to make. And they're going to be about the size of paper. And then you're going to form them into 3 different boats, or how many ever you want to make. Make sure your boats are all different sizes so that the experiment will work. And then you're also going to need some pennies. You want to show them the pennies, Zoey? Okay, some pennies or any other objects that are small that could go into the boat, but they all need to be the same. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to see which boat can hold the most pennies before it sinks. So let's get started, okay? Let's see, which one do we want to start with?
Let's start with the little one.
Okay, we'll start with the little one, okay. We'll call this our tugboat. Okay, it's in the water. Now, Zoey, one at a time, and we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, keep going. We got to sink the boat. 6. Okay, it's starting to tip over. Keep going. We're on 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Keep going. We gotta sink it. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Oh, go ahead. 20. It looks like the boat's starting to sink. Keep going. We gotta sink it all the way.
21.
21. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is it gonna sink? I think so. There it goes. It went to the bottom. Okay, so 21 before that boat will sink. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm gonna put that one in. Let's do the canoe. We'll call it our canoe. So that was the tugboat. This is our canoe. Okay, let's see how many it takes. The last one was 21. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. This one's beating the other one so far.
21.
21.
22.
23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Wow, keep going. It hasn't sunk yet. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. closer. 41, 42, 40. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Yeah.
You got it. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Come on. Almost. A little bit more.
We'll use them all up.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Keep going. We're at 50. Grab 51 there. Throw her in. 51. Keep going. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. Wait, stop. Okay, 58, and it went down. Okay, Zoe, now what I need you to do very carefully, reach in there and pull those pennies out and put them back in the plate. And we're gonna do this last one. Oh, don't get it on my shirt. Great job, keep going. Pull those pennies out. I think we're gonna need them all for this last one. So that was 57, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You might get a little wet with this one. Just make sure you have your parents' permission, and you'll notice that what we're using is bigger than our boats, and it's taller than our tallest boat too. Because if it's not tall enough, your boat won't sink. It'll just get stuck on the bottom. So you want to make sure it's deeper than your tallest boat. You about got them all there, Zoe?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
It's okay if you get a little bit wet.
Yeah, it's okay if you get a little wet.
You can always get dried.
Yep, a towel will dry you right off. Okay, now that boat there, you want to pull it out, but don't get the water all over the place. Pull that big boat out with the water. There you go, and set him down here. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this next one. Just pull the boat out if you want to. It might make it easier.
If you use paper towels, it won't work.
Yeah, paper towels will sink, won't they? That's exactly right. Okay, now for our biggest boat. I'm excited for this one. Let's see how many it'll hold. Put him in there. Okay, here we go. Let's get to counting. One at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You had 2 there.
7,
That was 8,
8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
40,
31, 32, 33, 34, 41, 42,
43,
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, we're getting close to the other one. Let's see. Keep going. We need 8 more to beat that one. 51, 52.
We also need to fill it up with all of them.
We'll see if it holds them all. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh, we've already beat the other one. Let's see if it'll hold the rest. Keep going. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Keep going.
It might sink.
We'll see. 71,
71,
72,
72,
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Keep going. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Uh-oh. We're at 95. This end's going down. 95. Oh, I didn't win. Well, you see our big, what do we call that one? Our cruise ship, it won the battle. Well, we hope you guys had a good time with us, and we'd love to see your boats too. If you build your own boats and do this experiment at home, post a picture for us down in the comments. We'll see you soon. Bye.